What's up, guys? Here we go again. Another junkyard trip. Gotta find some stuff for my car. Ricky and Chelsea's car. Oh, one right there. Alright, I'm gonna take a detour. Alright, so what I'm here for today is a door latch. Because mine messed up. It didn't want to unlock because the little C-claw thing that's on the latch that would when you close the door it'll latch onto that. It got all messed up, so it didn't want to unlock, and the door was closed, so we somehow got it open. So here to replace that piece because they sell it, but on eBay, but I needed ASAP so I could close my door and shit like that, stuff like that. But all right, well, I'm gonna get to it. Or panel off a 96 to 2000 Honda Civic would be this screw right here, Phillips head screw. Then you're gonna have some here, essentially good. One here, one here, and another here. Pop this off right here, this piece. So you pull it back here. See, you pull this piece off. There's a screw here and a screw here. Once you get that screw off, you want to slide this forward and this comes out. After you pop it off, you want to push this clip forward off of this rod. See, I kind of got it off already. But you want to get it fully off of this rod so you can pop this rod off. Got clips on this. I accidentally broke one. So the screws are going to be one right there, and that little hole, another one here. Pop this piece off. One plug, two plug. Bolts here, there, and there. Forward, but three big ass Phillips head screws. Gives it impact. All these three bolts right here. What else is there? There's the door lock actuator that goes right here, and right here. Before you get to that, there's a plastic anti-theft cover with one Phillips head screw under right there, and it wraps around a little circle thing under, so you have to unhook the circle thing off of the anti-theft thing and then take it off. And then you pop this off, and then pop that off. Pop that already popped off with the door handle, inside door handle. And you pull it out. Pretty much all you're gonna need is Phillips head screw, a 10mm for the window track bolt, 10mm bolt. You just need just one so you get more room, and an impact gun with a screwdriver on it. You're good to go. Done. So that thing was only $18.99 with the cord charge. It ended up being $23 for that. So I got what I came for, so now we're gonna get what Ricky and Chelsea came for. Hopefully. All the integers are always fucking gone out here. Oh, I'm not supposed to cuss. I'm gonna bleep that out somehow. But we're at the other junkyard now. I'll probably cut it out somehow and then put like a clip of like, oh my god, something. That green one's still not there no more? I mean, it's still there. Play. Thought it was an SI. EM1. Wanna be EM1?
Yeah, LCAs. Right there, dog.
What brand though? Nah. I'd rather get all new one though, cause the bushings. I want one with the good bushings on there. I'll take it.
The fuck?
Got some springs on the corner. This one got a lot of Civics. Guys, though, this is my first Civic that I've ever owned, so just learning about them, you know, I never really ever looked up parts for Civics or anything like that. I just looked up whatever was interchangeable with Integras, because I'm an Integra guy. I just dropped my phone, guys. I cracked it a little bit more. Need to get a case. Then I just do the. What the? Really? It looked like they tried to pull it out and then they couldn't get it out. Terrible, guys. Terrible. Andrade. I can't be leaving y'all stuff in there, man. It's y'all addresses on there, names, bro. Ooh, what is it, Y8? Ooh. For all my K guys, there's a K24 that I pull, you pull off in the cord. I mean, I don't think that's a really good one, but you can make it good. Put a bottle on it, huh? Integra. We're just walking. We're about to leave. I'm hungry.
Hey, Pete.
Hey. Look like you ready to slam gears. Got more hair to kill on you. Came out with more hair. You gotta put the door lock actuator back on. Make sure this piece is put in there. See that? Say that. You say that. Make sure that goes in, or your automatic locks and unlock won't work. Okie dokie, artichoke. You put the screws in. Oh, I'll show y'all how to tighten screws, right? You know how to tighten screws. That. And when you do that, you're gonna do this one after. Like this. So this goes this way. Do this. Just like this. Just like this. Just like this. The screw. It's hard doing this with one hand. But you get the point. What you call me? Bitch. Hey man, you can't be cussing on the channel, man.
I ain't cutting on my channel, I'm cutting on your channel.
Oh, cause I'm. Oh, okay, you're right. Sleeping Beauty. All right, and then this right here, you see this slips on to this right here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all these up because I can't do this in one hand. This is what it should look like, people. So, like that. That's the old one. This is the new one. So there's supposed to be a plastic piece around this on the door handle that keeps it in lock. This was off my old one, so I just took it and screwed it on. They just screw all it off. I forgot to record, but I got it in. New one. So I slipped it through here. I slipped it through there. Came down in, twisted it, pushed it down to the side, and then all you essentially do is just hook everything back up. Just this one. This one first, put the clip on, and then the top one right here. Now I'm gonna put the 3 long bolts in on the side, right there, and plug in the actuator back in, and see if everything works. All right, unlock, unlock. We in there. Going to Madera, drop off Danny's bumper for paint. Road trip. Alright, we made it, guys. Guess he has his own little shop. Drop the bumper off. Dropping off his ISF bumper. Alright, we just dropped off the bumper to, his name is Chris. They don't have a business card or anything yet, and they're just gonna they're trying to keep low key because of this COVID stuff. But yeah, he was cool. He was a cool guy. He said you know, I could vlog a little bit of it, so I did. But yeah, they do some good work. I was looking at some of their work. They do pretty good work for a good price. So for the bumper, they're charging Danny $200, and to me that's a pretty good price. Because if you go to the shop, it's gonna be like $500 around there. But we just left, about to head back home, and you know, get some more stuff done on some cars for you guys. Yeah. So catch you guys back at home. Just got these painted with AMG. Ready. Wiring up a Tesla motor in the back right now.
Yeah. Maybe I'm ox for this?
Hey, ain't ready. Hold on, let me get that angle.
Over. Jeez. Other side, yeah.
Finally got it done. It's on there. Everything works. Need to go with some tweeters.
No.
Headshot. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. That's the end of the night, and we're all just gonna kick back now and just drink a little bit, eat a little bit, and just relax. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.